Dahito itinpeteng ni Sangguniang Panlunsod ti Siyudad ti Lawag, John Michael Fariñas, Chairman ti Committee Family Welfare on Women and Children, kabayatan iti misa akas paset ti panagselebrar ti Women's Month ita Aurora Park ito Siyudad ti Lawag. Bensa ni Fariñas, adakkel ti sakripisyo digiti babay kasi ti panagsikogda, aditan anang rugyanan da, nga inget dan iti anak da. Yung batad pa iti konsehal, ababaen digito yung sakripisyo, ket nasken abigbigen digiti sakripisyo digiti babae.
It's truly an honor and a privilege to be given the chance nga makibati iti isang kabasit nga mensahe as we celebrate Women's Month. Truly, iti tiningig ko, Apo, imbaga ni Father, everyone comes from a woman. So that is the nicest definition of what women empowerment is. And I am not saying that women should be boxed to becoming a mother. This is just reality that there is no individual, there is no successful individual without the strength, the courage, as well as the sacrifices of a woman. I am a self-confessed mama's boy. I give importance to all the hardships as well as the sacrifices of my mother. I wouldn't be here without these sacrifices as well as hardships. I love my wife so much. It may sound cheesy, but I could not see a day without her. I am saying these things not only to give importance to a woman, but to voice out that men have their soft side also. And it is okay to show it. Men should realize how important it is that women give everything that they have to help and to nurture a man. A while ago, I was being told by my wife, no, not ibagak, Apo. Because again, as I have stated, that this is an impromptu message. But she said, just remember all the nice things that has happened to you when you were young, and itata, Apo, nga agasawa kami. So, as we celebrate Women's Month, and as a member of the 13th Sangguniang Panlunsod of Lawag and the chairman of the Committee on Family Welfare, Women and Children, we will make sure that hanlaing na women empowerment iti kasapulan, Apo. Nadigit di, ikan tayo iti importansya. Ikan tayo iti importansya iti aming nga rigat, sakripisyo, ken unconditional love iti maysa nga babae, Apo. Again, we are nobody without the strength and courage of a woman.
Mainay giti daytoy, kunapay ti konsehal, adigiti lalaki, ket makita da kuma ti importansya digiti babae ti impay da amin a sakripisyo tapno mapadakkel digiti anak da. Para ti IFM News, Idol Rain Santos, tatak IFM.
IFM News. IFM News. IFM News. Lokal.